Alden, it's your update. And live bukas si Alden for Casino Plus. And ito yung video.
Hello guys, Alden Richards here. Join me live on Casino Plus Facebook page this December 17 at 8 p.m. where I'll randomly draw and select daily lucky winners for the 37,000 actual gifts worth 300 million pesos. At hindi lang yun, may pa-daily ang pa-raise pa tayo with prices up to 20 million pesos depending on how fast you click. Kaya sali na dahil panalo ang Pasko kapag Casino Plus ang kasal.
Yan o.
Hi, Alden.
So for free kindness with Alden.
Inspires others. Wow! Ganun talaga. Sarap lang sa feeling. And I mean, that kind of message really, iba yung effect. So, really whatever we say on social media and whatever we say towards another person really affects them in different ways. So we have to be smart, we have to think twice, and we have to click kindness all the time.
Yun o. Yun dahil sinabi ni Alden. So ito pa yung IG story ni Alden dyan sa bahay nila. Dyan sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Yung video ni Daddy Bay. Ayan, Paskong Pasko na o. Yung kila Alden. Ayan. Yung mga gumawa ng mga design. Yung mga pailaw. Ayan, Ken Creative Design.
Pasok po tayo!
Ayan, ayan, welcome. Yung 4-person house din no. Ganda o. Maliwanag sa bahay nila o. Nasa gitna may push.
Nice!
Solid. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is featured in Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.